This is a Compass CV40. Now this is based on a Fiat van. It's got a 2.3 litre 140 horsepower engine, and these are a really nice compact vehicle, very easy to handle and very practical. We'll take a little wander around the outside first of all. Now these are actually 6 metres, so nice and compact. And if you come right round to the back, because they're based on the van of course, you get the rear doors. These are really handy for things like chucking bikes or inflatable kayaks or whatever else straight into the back. So that's dead handy. Now it's worth mentioning just while we're on the outside that if you want more sleeping space, you can have what they call a pop top. That's that fella up there, so you've got a roof that elevates up and that gives you extra sleeping. I think it's about a £5,000 option. But let's head on around and I will show you the interior. You've got a massive sliding door on this one, so really good access. The step comes out, as you can see, just here, and this is where we head on in. Now this is a 2022 model, and so it's got the new wood in here, a bit darker than they used to do. Looks very classy. And if we come at the front first of all, you can see we've got the 2 seats here that swivel round. It's the usual Fiat dashboard in here, manual transmission on this one. This is a demonstrator, so it's reasonably basic, but you can obviously have things like sat nav and reversing camera and all that kind of stuff if you spec it. And then you've got a table here, so a great place to dine. The other thing this has got is seat belts here as well, so brilliant for 4 people to travel in. Absolutely ideal. There's a load of storage about the place, so that's up in places like this and around here. You've got the skylights up ahead, so that's putting more natural light in, but you have actually got some great lighting all the way around. You can see it around the top as well. There's a kitchen over on this side, little extending area like so for a bit more workspace, and of course that one there which you can take off if you're using the sink. That swings around like so, and a pretty decent cooker actually. It's a 3-burner hob up there on the top, and then you've got the oven and grill down underneath, and a bit of storage up here in places like this. Now if we head on back, you've got the fridge right next to it. That's a decent size too actually. You can see just how much space you have in there, and there's storage underneath that like so. And then over here you've got toilet compartment, so the sink and the loo, and there is a shower that pulls out like so, and so that then drops into there, so you can use that as a proper shower. In fact, there's a shower curtain will go on, you can see the rail for it there. If we come right back here, it's already pre-wired for TV, so that is the bracket your TV could go on if you want it. You can see the aerial socket is just there. Load more storage up in places like this, but I think that's part of the TV booster for the aerial as well. And then you've got seating back here. These are these back doors that we opened from the rear of the vehicle. There's blinds of course to go over all of these, so these drop down like so, and you can see them on all of the windows. More storage over on this side, and then this lounge area. Now this will convert to a double bed, and if we come right on around, then that one there will also make into a small bed. But the other thing it's got actually, which I didn't show you as we came in, which is quite nifty, is this little fella here, because this is a fly screen. That's brilliant, especially of an evening when all the insects come out, because you can have that completely open as it is, loads of air through there, loads of light, just not the bugs. Definitely a bonus. There we go. And that is about the size of that. It's a pretty compact vehicle, and that is entirely the point of it. It's a nice, easy thing to use, and if you can drive a van, well, you can have no problem whatsoever driving this, because that's pretty much what it is. So there you go. Huge thanks to Highbridge Motorhomes down in Devon. I'll put a link to those guys in the description, and huge thanks to you guys for watching. We'll catch you on another one of these very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.